Hey everyone, welcome to my video. Thanks for watching. Today I'm making Chapli Kababs. I'm excited to share my recipe with you. So let's get started and make a delicious Chapli Kababs. The ingredients that will be used in this recipe are 1½ teaspoon salt or to taste, 1 teaspoon roasted crushed red pepper, 1 teaspoon red chili powder or Kashmiri red chili, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 egg. I have beaten the egg, ½ teaspoon carom seeds, Ajwain, 1 tablespoon roasted cumin, 1 tablespoon roasted crushed coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons crushed pomegranate seeds, 5 tablespoons gram flour, besan, 1 tablespoon butter or ghee, a 1/4 cup cilantro leaves finely chopped. I don't have a fresh cilantro, so I'm using a dry cilantro, but you can use a fresh cilantro. 2 green chilies chopped, optional, 1 onion finely chopped, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 3 medium tomatoes chopped. I have cored and chopped into small pieces, 2 pounds beef, 80% lean, 20% fat. If you are using lean meat, add some melted butter to compensate for the lack of fat. Oil for fry. You can increase or decrease all the spices according to your taste. I mix all the ingredients with the ground meat except for the tomatoes and onions. The tomatoes and onions release water, so I will add them when I am about to fry the kebabs. I mixed everything well. I will marinate for at least an hour. I will leave it in the fridge. It has been marinating for an hour, so now I am mixing the onions and tomatoes in it and forming the kebabs into thin patties. In a pan, I add enough oil to shallow fry the kebabs. I fry the Chapli Kababs on medium-high heat for just a few minutes so that they retain their juiciness due to being thin. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Serve with naan, chutney, sliced onions, tomatoes, and lemon. Enjoy your delicious Chapli Kababs! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider to subscribing to our channel. Thanks! Take care! Bye-bye!